Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss NumPy. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss introduction to NumPy. So NumPy is a Python package which stands for numerical Python, and NumPy is the core library for scientific computing in Python. It provides a high performance multi-dimensional array object and tool for working with these arrays. NumPy was created by Travis Oliphant, and the elements in a NumPy array are all required to be of the same data type and thus will be the same size in memory. NumPy is licensed under the BSD license, enabling reuse with few restrictions. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss advantages of NumPy. So it is very fast and efficient as its engine is built using C code, and it supports multi-dimensional array using ND-array object. It has built-in functions to perform various mathematical operations and computations for arrays, and all array-based operations can be done very efficiently. It also supports operations like reading and writing data from disk, files, and data repositories. It supports C or C++ based APIs for extended Python for NumPy's data structures and computations. All the following mathematical operations are supported, just like random number generation, Fourier transforms, linear algebra, and matrix operations. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss how to import NumPy in your program or application. So we can import NumPy with renaming by using this syntax. So we will use import NumPy as NP. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll open Jupyter Notebook and I will show you how do I create one-dimensional array or two-dimensional array using NumPy. So guys, now I will show you how do I create one-dimensional array or two-dimensional array using NumPy in Jupyter Notebook. And if you don't know how can we install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 10, a link is coming up in the suggestion box. Please watch this video and it will help you to get installed Jupyter Notebook on Windows. So first of all, let's import the NumPy with help of renaming. So import NumPy as NP and hit run. And now I am creating one-dimensional array using NumPy. So first of all, I am using a variable a. And I am using 3 elements in this one-dimensional array. So let's print this, print a, and now if you run it, it will give you the one-dimensional array. And now we are going to create two-dimensional array using NumPy. So let's create two-dimensional array by using this NumPy. So now if I run this code, so it will give you the two-dimensional array, that is B. So I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.